Hey guys, welcome to Microfrontend series video number 2. So in this video we are going to set up shared component structure for our Microfrontend apps. So the shared component structure folder, another one for hooks and one for APIs utilities and other, and one for layouts. So layouts will be our navbar, sidebar and the footer, inside the hook we will have the custom hooks and other things. And inside the UI we will be having the UI components. So now let's run our app. So our shell app, the dashboard app are running on the port 4205 now. And here you can see we have set up the microfrontend with the help of single SPA. I have created a separate video on that, so you can watch that as well. And now let's install the shared UI with the help of Nx. Let's open the terminal and run the command. Okay, here is the command shared slash UI. So it will create the folder of shared, and inside the shared we will have UI, and it will set up the shared UI on our Nx workspace. Now it will ask you question. Okay, the white we are going to use, and on the testing library, and okay, it's processing now. Okay, it's created a shared folder, and inside shared we have UI and the other configuration file that we have. Inside the SRC we have UI component, and here we have some error. Let's remove this class. I don't know from where it's coming. Let's remove for now. And I can see we also have index.ts for exporting them, and it's made some changes in test config. Okay, it's reference added, and inside the packet.json we also have in workspaces. So yeah, okay, it's made some excellent changes here, and I think I'm done with this setup. It's okay. Now let's import the UI component inside our dashboard. So let's go into the dashboard HRC main single SPA. Okay, so we'll go inside the app. Now here the app we will going to import the Nx. Sorry, I pasted something wrong. Okay, copy this component name, paste here, and call it. Okay, it's not providing any solution. Maybe we have to restart the VS Code. Now let's import it manually, and okay, save the file. It's showing some error. I think the component also have. Okay, now UI. Okay, now it's gone. Let's see how it's visible on the UI. Open the. Okay, it's having some error in the packet.json file. Let's see what is the error we have. Okay, so the by default it run from the build, because the on the production the shared UI and in the Microfrontend app everything works with the help of build. So we have to run the Nx build for the UI, and then it will able to access the our shared UI. So now the build is running successfully. We have to you can see the package may have incorrected, so that's how I identify. And you can see we have the welcome message from UI component. Now if you want to run it from without build, like if I made any changes here, and it will work it will fetch that from where automatically. For that we have to do some setup. And now you can see I made some changes here, and it's not working, because for that we have to run the build command again. Okay, so let's run the build again, and without build, if you want to do the change, and if you want to reflect it without any build, so what we have to do, we have to go inside the dashboard reference. So I think that inside the dashboard it has some the reference. Let me open the dashboard. Okay, so in the dashboard ts config you can see it have the shared UI reference. So let's remove it from here, and yeah, after that you can see it's Okay, it's not working still. So what we have to do inside the white config, we have to define the nxts path. So I have already did that. So let's call it from where, and you have to install it. So using npm install white ts config paths. Inside the package duration at the root level, we have the package, and now let's open the browser. You can see the changes are there, it's working. And now let's change something in the component to see it's reflecting or not. Let's open the browser again. You can see it's reflecting our changes without the build. For the